guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to build a vertical bike rack. Vertical bike rack that can carry 4 bikes. These types of racks are inserted into the tow bar hitch of your car. Now, if budget is not a problem for you, then buying a professionally built bike rack like this is a good way to go. You can find these online by googling vertical bike rack. But if you're on a budget like me, then building one from scratch is probably a good option for you, and it can be a fun little project to do. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so what I have here is I built a prototype from timber. Basically, it's going to be like this, the back of the car. You have to use a steel pipe to create this sort of a shape where the wheel can slot in. The main steel pipe that I'm using is a 4mm 50 by 50, the exact dimension that fits into the hitch of the car tow bar. I've also made some rough sketches here just to help me purchase the right amount of steel pipe. Let's see if the bike can fit in. So after a few hours of welding and grinding, our bike rack is now mostly finished. As you can see, one bike can fit in, no problem. We still need to build a few more additional brackets to hold the wheels in, and we also need to build 3 more slots like these, but it's looking good. Less than a day's worth of work. So I've created this little gadget with some tubes welded to a steel plate to help me bend the steel rod. is to weld the top bar onto the left hand side so that the bike that sits with the right hand side in the slot does not stick too much outside of the car. The dimensions of this rack are as follows. To tie the tires down, I've used this rubber band that I purchased at a local hardware store. Okay, the loops or the slots for the mountain bike front tire are approximately 11 centimeters wide from outside edge to the outside edge. I left about 90 mil inside, but if I was to make this again, I would probably leave around 100 mil in between. The loops are 63 centimeters from the outside edge to the outside edge long. The supporting struts are made from exact same solid rod, 10 mil thick. The distance from the top of the T-bar to the bottom of the loop is 26.5 centimeters. As you can see, I've also welded here little custom built L-hooks, L-shaped hooks. This is to allow you to use rubber bands like this, loop it through, then wrap it around your tire here and then just hook it in. Very simple system. And there you have it, custom built vertical bike rack. Thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.